Welcome to today's video. In this video, we will explore some of the most common spices used in cooking. These spices not only add flavor to your dishes but also offer amazing health benefits. Let's dive in and take a closer look at each spice. 1. Cinnamon stick. 2. A mace. 3. Saffron. 4. Cumin seeds. 5. Mustard seeds. 6. Black pepper. 7. Bay leaf. 8. Ginger. 9. Fenugreek seeds. 10. Nutmeg. 11. Coriander seeds. 12. Pine nuts. 13. Turmeric powder. 14. Black cardamom. 15. Carom seeds. 17. Red chili powder. 18. Green cardamom. 19. Star anise. 20. Cubeb pepper.